Today on So Healthy a Kid Can Cook It, we're going to be flying on with our Harry Potter recipes and making acid pops. This is a very simple and sweet treat, and this is my best friend Mia.
Let's get cooking.
For this recipe you will need suckers, Pop Rocks, and honey.
ASMR.
First, dip your sucker in honey, then roll it around in the Pop Rocks.
Ooh, it's popping.
Boom! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.
I should have been recording this whole time. But,
You weren't.
I was not.
For our bloopers!
I know. I have a blooper reel going on.
Roll the blooper reel. And this is my best friend Mia.
Hi.
I just love her so much. Wrestling is her
We're gonna
sport.
do that again because I didn't like the way you said slash.
Yeah, me neither.
That was weird.
It's me neither.
Neither.
We had this argument last time. Neither.
Sometimes I say neither. Sometimes I say
Anyway, let's
neither.
go.
You guys, I'm on both sides. Oh my god!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's all good. I'm just concerned about your safety. All of you.
Okay, stand up.
You just flagged your head.
Oh my god! Ow!
I can't just be.
I don't want to do this video. Goodbye.